We are just so happy the internet connection is working with us.
Hindi na po kami naka-FB10, naka-ano na kami.
Yes.
Giga 50 na. Overturned yung point, if I'm correct.
I think it's gonna be a dead ball according to our referee. So
Yup, overturned yung point. Ball is still alive! Grabe! I thought that would be recovered. Cleared yung bench ng San Jose doon. Napakabilis. Pati yung injured player natin, napatayo na lang.
I mean, as you can see, Team San Jose Del Monte, they are not just here to participate, they're here to conquer. They have shattered the expectations from their preliminary games. And now here they are, bunga ng pagtsatsaga. They were able to make it to the finals to challenge the defenders, of course. And we have Taki Loredo on deck to serve, targeting Pascual, and a faulty first ball. Bundok with the adjustment, dug by Loredo. And Eugene David getting in action, delivering his first point right away.
Going back off the break, Cabrera. Tubalat bat, that was off. Francisco just using his might and height to score that point. Natawa na rin lang yung depensa ng San Jose doon.
Francisco taking care of that over-receive on the side of San Jose Del Monte. This is something they should want to avoid. Uy.
Chance ball situation. Perfect play. Datig right there. Sari-sari, two-balat bat, hard angle, ball is still alive. One touch. Francisco! Jump too early there. 4-point lead for San Jose. If San Jose can take this set as well, this is gonna be a major upset.
He was already up there, but it's timing.
As I said earlier, if San Jose Del Monte can get this set, this is gonna be a major upset against the defending champions. If they start this with a 2-0 run. As we talked earlier, that's what San Jose should aim for. Now here they come once again. 5-point lead.
You know, take a look at San Jose Del Monte's unstoppable drive. Now that they are driving the momentum here, 5-point lead for the Rising Stars, +1. Taki Loredo with a service ace.
Unlucky bounce.
Targeting Datig, Sari-Sari opens up to Balat bat from the right pin. A much needed point for Team Make Hawaiian. And look at the frontliners of Make Hawaiian here. We have Bundok and Balat bat alongside with the Gordones. Such a very lethal.
Touch. Datig back row. Here comes Bondok. Here comes the tenacious defense and the great offensive setups for San Jose, making wonders. 24-18, 1 point away from winning this set.
Smart volleyball for San Jose Del Monte, finding that zone 1 with no defense at all for Team Make Hawaiian. And now they're at set point situation, just a point needed to close out the set number 2.
Para silang Bukawi, pero may magaling na setter.
Ooh, and Bundok not allowing San Jose Del Monte to finish this, saving one set point.
I think pumabor pa nga in San Jose's way na meron tayong play for all or play to all rule. Kasi yung main gunners na may kawayan has to sit on the bench. While on their side, yung both setters nila that creates explicit offensive setups finds ways to score, and there it goes. Once again, 25-19. San Jose del Monte. Balik tayo sa ating laro. Here comes Team Make Wine in the service line once again as they hold this 5-point lead.
This is a heavyweight change of events for Team Kawayan. They are up by 4. And the shaky first ball, Pascual penetrates the block. David for the coverage. The rejection, and that's way out of reach for Parohinog.
Sari-Sari with the service. Well received. Here comes the play. No good that time. 7-13. A 6-point lead for Team Kawayan here in the third set as we enter the halfway mark. Ball is still alive. San Jose. Rejected. One more time. Rejected once again. Back to back by Mendoza.
After 3 attempts, they left the lead with no blockers, which is a regrettable decision for Team Kawayan.
Mendoza with the first touch. That was a hard setup. Mendoza once again with the receive. Francisco. Shot no good. Sari-Sari had to get that one. Mendoza rejected. Ball is still alive. Chance ball situation. Here comes the Whites and the Pinks with the score.